HOMOFY STEM Toys Solar Robot Kit 12-in-1 Educational Science Kits Toys. Learning Science Building Toys powered by Solar STEM Toys Robot Science Kits for kids 8, 9, 10, 12-year-olds boys girls gifts. 12-in-1 Solar Robot Club come with 190 PCs parts for creating 12 different types of building robots. Attract your little architect. Help kids develop manual dexterity, problem-solving skills, improve logical thinking, self-confidence and promotes the importance of teamwork. STEM toys for 10 to 12-year-olds. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Great and challenging green technology projects. Solar Robot Science Kits for kids 10 to 12 include a solar power panel. Kids' assembled robots can harness solar to crawl, roll and float on the water. No battery required. Let kids learn about renewable energy sources through practical work and have fun doing it with them. Number 2. Experience the achievements of DIY. STEM Toys Robots for Kid comes with step-by-step instruction book, stickers and all the pieces that make the robot. Kids can experience the joy and accomplishment brought by continual conquest, which will help the kids' creative thinking ability and intellectual development. Number 3. Happy time for parent-child cooperation. STEM Toys Robot Science Kits for kids 10 to 12-year-olds gifts. Its strong practical ability, which has cultivated the spirit of scientific exploration with the help of parents. These science kits for kids 10 to 12 help kids build a solid foundation in science, technology, engineering, crafts, and robotics. Number 4. Creative gifts for little builders. All pieces are safe, durable. Excellent STEM toys for 12-year-old kids teen students. Great Solar Robot Kit gift for birthday, Children's Day, Christmas, Hanukkah, Easter, STEM, summer camp activities, school activities. Number 5. Multifunctional STEM toys. The STEM toys gifts for 8, 9, 10, 12-year-olds will good for kids' hands and brain development, enhance the relationship between parents and children. Experience the achievements of DIY. Number 6. All pieces are sturdy. Solar Robot Science Kits for kids 10 to 12 include a solar power panel, 190 easy build pieces parts and accessories, a step-by-step instruction book, stickers. Powered by the sun. Number 7. Creative gifts for little builders. Excellent STEM toys for 8 to 12-year-old kids teen students. Great Solar Robot Kit gift for birthday, Children's Day, Christmas, Hanukkah, Easter, STEM, summer camp activities, school activities, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.